Hey besties, I'm back. I'm here today with a Goodfair haul and I'm excited, and let's just get into it. First, I ordered 2 bundles. I ordered one for me and I ordered one for my husband, so there's like different sizes going on. For mine, I got a size large. And this is one of the pieces I got. It's this denim jacket. And it's so cute because the little gems, like the buttons are little gems. So, first piece is dope. I'm excited. My total came out to $50, like after shipping and everything. So it was a very good price for everything that I got. So here's number 1. My bundle came with a pair of sweatpants, a denim jacket, and 2 t-shirts. So here's one of the t-shirts. It just says Swim Academy on it. It's black and red, and then it has this like duck platypus guy on the back, which he's cute. And then this one's my favorite. It says, "For a minute there you bored me to death. I'm obsessed with this one." And they're both red and black, which I feel like is easy to style. And then I got these pants, which are kind of weird for me. I feel like they're like parachute pants. They're like windbreaker material. And they're Nike, a little Nike swoosh on them. They're navy, and they're like gathered at the bottom. I feel like these with like my Jordans and like a little crop top would be cute. So it's like not something I would buy for myself, but I do like it a lot. And then what was really cool is, I don't know if this was an accident or they just were being nice to me, but they sent me extra things that I didn't order. So I got this neon pullover, which wasn't part of the bundles because I double checked. I was like, did I order this on accident? But no, I didn't. But thank you, Goodfair. I love you. It's this neon highlighter yellowish green pullover. And it looks really cute and comfy. It says surf style on it, so I'm a surfer girl now. And then I got this other pullover that's just a plain gray one, which is kind of boring, but I'm stoked about it because I can wear it to work because it doesn't have any logos on it, so that's dope. Love that. They're both very comfy. And then I got 2 zip-ups from them also that I didn't order. They were just in there. So this is a gray one with the palm tree on it. And this one I already wore this morning. That's why it's zipped up. By the way, I washed them already too. I'm not stinky. And they both have palm trees on them. Cute. I wore this one this morning with biker shorts and my Crocs. Very fashionable to go to the grocery store, so it's comfy. So that's all I got in my bundle. I really like it. My favorite is the jacket. I love it. And then the t-shirts, like you told me there for a minute. You bored me to death. I love that. And then in my husband's bundle, I got him this one. It included a bunch of t-shirts, 2 flannels, and like a pullover. So we got 2 flannels. It's this dark blue and green one. It's very up his alley, and it's really soft. Also, I low-key got this bundle for him specifically because I love to steal his sweaters, big t-shirts, flannels, so low-key got it for myself too, but he doesn't know that. I got it for him, you know, so. And then I got this one came, which is just like blue, green, has yellow stripes, which are both up his alley. They're very cute, except one of them, I ordered his stuff in a XXL, and one of those is just a regular XL, but written over the tag that says regular XL is written XXL, which is kind of fishy. But whatever. And then this is the pilot shirts he got. It's very fun because if you haven't seen it, they're like, their bundles are like, it's like random. It didn't explain this at the beginning, It's like random, so you don't know what you're getting. You just know you're getting like shirts and a sweater, but you don't know what shirt and what sweater. And it's all secondhand. Oh, I really didn't explain this. It's all secondhand clothes. They're all about sustainability, fighting against fast fashion, shit like that. So very cool. This one, not my fave. It's like a random brewing company shirt. Very comfy though, like very soft material. And then they gave us a bunch of Goodfair shirts. So we got this one, which my husband's favorite color right now is like beigey tan clothes. So I love that. They gave us the same one in gray, which is just like comfy. And then another gray one, but like a darker gray. These are all just like the Goodfair shirts. Cute. And then they also gave me one in a small, but it's a v-neck, which I'm not a v-neck girl. But we'll try it on, we'll see. And then we got these ones. This one, it's like a random fishing shirt, which I was kind of about, but it has our birth year on it, 1999, so I thought that was cute. And then we got this basic bright pink, which is fun. I feel like I'm gonna wear those to the gym maybe or something. If not, I'll sleep in them, but. And a purple one. And then lastly, he got, this is like the pullover that was in his bundle, and it says Netherlands Bulldogs, and it's just like a pullover sweater, but the inside is so soft on this one, so can't wait to wear this one too. But I'm very excited. I love like the message and like what they support. I'm all about trying to be as sustainable as possible. So if you want to check them out, I can do it. Like I recommend. There's a couple things where I'm like, not my favorite, but there's a couple things like this jacket that I'm obsessed with. So I would definitely recommend it if you're into like the mystery of it all. It's very fun. I remember like when I first started on Depop, I wanted like an eyebrow bundle, and I never got one. Still kind of sad about it. But this kind of like felt like that experience that I always wanted, where you like get the curated little bundle. It's very cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Also, let's check it. And they have like different bundles to fit like your style, so there's like different things on there. So I would check it out. It's very cute. They're always having a sale. There's like it's obviously not my coupon code, but there's like, if you look on their TikTok, there's like, use this code for 30% off. So always look for a discount code. I hope you liked it. Hopefully I post more often on here. We'll see. I know that's annoying, but I've been like not feeling great recently, so videos haven't been like priority. Today I feel great, so we're filming. But yeah, I missed it. Also follow me on TikTok. It's just Damn Jackie. I post on there a lot more frequently because it's just more convenient. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like and all that. And I'll see you soon. Okay? Okay.